Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, but I'm not doing much. I'm putting me some water. We're gonna make a lamb sausage with Danya, and we're gonna make some STYF PAAPA. Not we. Shelly's gonna show me how she makes hers. And then we're gonna have a lekker lunch, and then we just bought a can of chakalaka. Okay, we'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so the lamb sausage, Danya, is in the pan. This is gonna fry away, not on a high heat, so a medium heat. You're gonna turn it so ever so often and fry it. And in the meantime, we're also going to, oh, these look. So the water has boiled. I'm gonna move to the other side. And then Shelly's going to start on the STYF PAAPA. Okay, I've just moved a bit to the other side. Can you guys see me? No, can't see me. Can't see now. Okay, frying away. There's nothing quite like South African sausage. It's just so different. The taste is amazing. That's what I heard. Don't come for me in the comments. So the last time I ate STYF PAAPA was, let me see, when I was living, where was I living? In the north. And that's the last time I ate it and the last time I made it. Hello, Opa, we're making a video. Say hello to the people.
Good morning, people.
Okay. So people, so that's about 2 cups?
2.5.
2.5 cups of maize meal. Millie meal. Okay. And that's a cold water?
Yes, it's cold water.
A half a liter of cold water. And Shelly's just stirring it. So what does this do, Shelly? Make it loose, then it don't make crumbs?
Yes.
Okay.
Make it damp, not too much wet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Shelly, the last time I ate STYF PAAPA was, I think, let me think, about 8 years ago.
Wow.
That's too long. I asked Shelly earlier on what's the, she says it's named STYF PAAPA, a STYF PAAPA, which is millie meal that you cook. And it's like, if you don't want to make rice or bread or roti, make STYF PAAPA. Yeah, it's very nice. I can't wait, Shelly. I really can't wait. So now you're waiting on the water to boil?
To boil, yes.
And that's like also half a liter or liter?
It's a half a liter.
Half a liter. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna turn the sausage a bit and then we'll be right back. No, definitely the best sausages ever. I always people tell me always our sausages here in South Africa is so good, so delicious. The flavor, the spice, it's just so different. There you go. Okay. Now the water's boiling. Now
With the salt. A
okay.
spoon of the salt.
Spoon or teaspoon?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon of salt. Or to taste, whoever wants to put in, depending on your amount.
And then 1 spoon of the cooking oil
One.
to make it soft.
Make it soft. Okay. And now throw in. So it must be boiling,
Yes,
so it.
boiling.
Okay. Wow. So the heat stays on medium, low?
Low.
On low. Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
Now you turn it down to low. Shelley, what's your favorite food to eat?
It's chicken, the papa.
Ew.
Chicken and the papa.
Guys, obviously, if you don't know, you know maize meal. It's made all over the world. It's been made for millennia. I watched a video the other day in Nepal, where they in a village where they're making the same like this in a pot with and then they cook the nettle leaves. Wow, I love watching and learning about how other people make, because at the end of the day, how we make a dish, it really depends on our environment and our circumstances. There we go. Now that's gonna cook for
30 minutes.
just so you stir.
Yeah, every 10 minutes.
You stir for
every
30
10
minutes. You don't add any more water, nothing.
No.
And it's on low. Okay, guys, that means when we come back, we're gonna dish up.
Yeah. You see, very soft.
Okay, so there it is, guys. It's done. Just pouring some stony in our cups, and then some chakalaga. Don't miss Fatima. Okay, bring it nearer. Okay, so we've quickly gone to wash our hands because we're gonna eat with our hands. Yeah, I'm very happy, very happy. Shelley, let's go for it. Okay, I'm just learning from Shelley now. I'm not cool. Okay, I'm also gonna eat now.
Yummy.
Yummy in my tummy. So good. Oh my word. Oh, this Louis.
Yeah.
Louis. Hey. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think we must get the spicy chakalaka next. This is the mild one. Yeah. Right now. Every mouthful is like a dream. Guys, thank you for joining us. We're just enjoying ourselves here. Thank you for all the love and support, for the comments. And we're definitely going to be back again with another video soon. No promises, but I've got some snoek and I'm thinking of making some snoek biryani. Of course, with the help. I can't do everything now on my own. I'll get some help and then we'll make that. So guys, I love you so much. Make you some lekker STYF PAAPA with sausage. We were going to have chicken, Shelley, but we forgot to take the chicken out. So everyone, bye everyone. Love you guys. We'll be back again with another video soon. Bye bye.